Hey everybody, my name is Brandon Tracy. I'm here with Wendy McCroskey and our main man Jason Fleming right behind the camera there.
How you guys
we
doing?
We are part of Group 4610, Arizona's premier buyers team here, and welcome to our buyers blog. We're going to cover a lot of information in the upcoming episodes, but today we're going to start with some of the frustrations that we're seeing in the marketplace and how to avoid them. Wendy, what do you see with our clients when they first call in? What are some of the frustrations that you see they're experiencing?
I see two things. Actually, I have a client coming in tomorrow afternoon. She called yesterday and she's very frustrated because she's looking on Zillow, Realtor.com, on these websites. She's calling the listing agent. If the listing agent calls her back, the properties are no longer available. And she was just elated. Her name's Tina. She was so excited that one, I called her back and responded to her, and two, that I was willing to give her some information about properties that were still available and kind of educate her on that. Second thing I see from my buyers that call into or from clients that call in, is they're really frustrated about the short sale process versus foreclosure REO properties.
Right.
They don't quite know the difference.
They're not educated on the difference.
Exactly.
Right, and that's
exactly.
an important piece of the marketplace right now is short sales. A lot of our buyers are calling on short sales and they don't even know they're short sales, let alone do they know what the process is. Are you experiencing a lot of that as well?
Yeah, I have clients when I sit down and meet with them, they say, what is a short sale? Or I'll ask them, do you know what a short sale is? And a lot of people don't know what that is. And I think that's one of the, first three steps that you've got to figure out before you start looking for a property.
Now here's the thing I see a lot of right now is people will say, well, I want a short sale because I want a good deal. Now, just because it's a short sale doesn't mean it's a better deal. This market right now is pretty much set right across the board for short sales, foreclosures, even traditionally owned properties. They're all pretty much fairly even as far as where they're at, price per square footage or what area they're in. We're seeing good value on every level, right?
Yeah, there's really great values out there, Brandon. But one thing about the short sales is you'll have short sale agents out there. The listing agent will put the house on the market for 220 days and never reduce the price.
Absolutely.
So that's one thing that buyers really need to look at is what are the comps in the neighborhood? Is the price right? It doesn't matter just because it's a short sale or foreclosure doesn't mean it's a good deal. You have to do the research in that neighborhood to really
Absolutely.
know.
And she brings up an excellent point is doing the research, and that's one of the things we do here at Group 4610 is we do the research up front. If you're interested in a short sale, then we need to call that listing agent and basically interview them, see what their processes are, see what their structure is around getting this done, and see basically if they're a listing agent that just took a listing for a friend, crossed their fingers and hope somebody else would sell it for them. That's one thing that we need to make sure that we educate our clients on and keep them out of that situation, because it's very frustrating and they could go 6 months and still not even close on a home.
Exactly. So we'll talk to you guys more about that and the difference between short sales and foreclosures as we come down the line. But just kind of keep in mind when you're looking for homes that that's something that you need to know before you set out and move forward.
Absolutely. And how do they figure all this stuff out? Well, the one thing that we do here is we always do a small consultation up front. We like to meet our clients in person before we take them out and look at properties. We do get a lot of people that call in and say, hey, I just want to see this house. And a lot of times they don't know anything about the house. It might be a short sale, and they might want to completely avoid short sales. So one thing we do, and one thing that you shouldn't be scared of, is meeting with your real estate agent up front and making sure that they really pay attention to what your needs are in the transaction. And that's one thing we do here with our buyer consultation, huh?
Exactly. You know what I tell my clients is it's almost like setting out on a road trip. Do you want to set on the road trip without a map or a GPS?
Exactly.
Or do you want to get the map up front and say, okay, honey, this is where we're going to go, or set the GPS? That's what I like to give my clients is come in, sit down, let's talk, let's make sure that I'm on the same page, my motivation matches your motivation, and that we give you that roadmap, because that's going to alleviate all the stress coming down the road.
Absolutely. And most importantly, like what kind of person are they? I mean, maybe it's a situation where we're not a good fit for that person, and maybe we're an excellent fit. One thing that we cover in those consultations is how to deal with each other. If you're a person who really likes a lot of feedback and likes a lot of communication, then we can adjust and we can get all those expectations set right up front and be able to work to the best possible way with you.
Exactly. So tune in next time, and we will be bringing more information to you about short sales, REO properties, the differences, and also our internet access to our portals where we give you information on properties as soon as they come on the market.
Right.
So you don't get those same frustrations of Realtor.com, Yahoo, Zillow, and the homes are no longer available.
Right. We're going to talk a lot around the fact that how we set you up for success and a number of the things that we do during your transaction that sets us apart from other people. Good?
Perfect.
Till
Have a
next
great day.
time.